Hi everybody, this is the website boy again with tutorial number 13, how to make arrays. Alright, so in this tutorial I will show you how to make arrays in JavaScript. You're gonna love this tutorial since you can do a lot of things with arrays. Alright, in every function out there, most of the functions out there, you're gonna see arrays. Alright, most of the languages out there, you're gonna see arrays and you're gonna be able to use them and do whatever you want with them. It's gonna be a pretty cool tutorial, right? So let's go. Okay, so I'm going to give you a couple examples here of arrays and variables. Now, you probably are already familiar with variables, all right? We know that variables, let's say, can only store one value in there. So let's say this would be a value of a variable, right? And we can go ahead and alert this out. Oops, I think I wrote this backwards. Anyways, so we can go ahead and alert this out, refresh it, and we say, please alert the value of this variable, right? So we know that, but arrays are, very similar to variables. So for example, we can go ahead and define an array like this. We use brackets and then we close it. So now in between these brackets, I type multiple values. So I would type a city like maybe Los Angeles, right? Let's right. Um, Miami, right? And let's also, why don't we actually, we can include multiple values. Not only can we include text, but we can include numbers and we can include variables. All right. And then to actually use these values, we actually need to actually include a number. Now, let me explain this. Variables arrays automatically assigned a number to each of these values in order. So for example, Los Angeles right now has a value of 0. The spot is 0. And it starts 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So it goes by in order and it starts with 0. So this is the index of the variable, the array. So for example, let's say I want to use this value here in this array. I will actually call it like this. I will alert, let's say cities, right? That is my array, and I will enclose it in brackets, and I will call the 0 spot on it, right? And I will go and refresh, and now you can see that I'm printing out that value in that specific array. So 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's say I want to print out this variable that's inside this array, which is this one, Brooklyn. So I want to print, I got to put the number 4 in here because that's spot number 4, right? So we go and refresh, and now you can see that I just printed out. We can use arrays to do many different things, all right? And I mean, we can actually go and pick a value and put it in at the end. I'm going to show you how to use array functions later on. But right now, just keep in mind that you can store anything you want in arrays. We can search an array. We can find the values we want. We can put it on the screen, use it on an application. There are multiple functions that we can do with arrays. And I'm going to show you that later on. But I just want you to keep in mind that there are that an array is just a variable and that you can put multiple values in there. All right. So I hope this video was able to help you out. And if it was, please don't forget to like it. All right. We're going to be jumping into an advanced series of JavaScript later on, but for now I want you to grasp the beginning of it, so that way you can have a good grasp on the language, and then later on we can start building applications in JavaScript. But anyway, thank you so much for watching this tutorial again, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.